Hi there, in this video tutorial, we're going to step through the process of how you can utilize the internet browser that's built into the Newline panel. Remember, the Newline panel has internet connectivity by joining the Wi-Fi connection within your building. The advantage of using the built-in browser is you don't need to have your computer connected to your board. It allows you to free up your computer for other purposes, and if you just want to do quick searching on the internet or bring up Rapid Identity and access your Google Drive, you'll be able to do that through the built-in browser. So let's go ahead and step through that process here right from the home screen. Off to the left-hand side in that little dashboard section, you have an icon here for browser. And so it'll open up the Google browser here. In the top, you can just simply do keyword searching. When you select there, it'll bring the on-screen keyboard. And I'm just going to search Google here for anything dealing with Newline. I'll use a little return button here to generate the results. Looks like there's lots of things here about Newline. I can scroll down and I can go into the About Us section if I want to read about Newline. Any content that you bring up here in your browser, if you want to bookmark that so you don't have to keyword search that every time, in the upper right hand corner there's a little star so you can bookmark that so you can easily retrieve that at a later point in time. One of the things that you may be interested in doing is if you were to log into Rapid Identity and bookmark that, you could easily bring that up and search your Google Drive or bring up your Google resources. So I've done that ahead of time already. So again, to bring up your bookmarks, use the three little dots, go to the bookmark section, and you can see here I have bookmarked my Rapid Identity section and I previously logged into that. So it's going to go ahead and open up the dashboard, and I can scroll down here and I can find my Google Drive and open up those files. Again, without having my computer connected, I can generate and look at these files from here. So if I go into Google Resources and I find a presentation in here, I could open that up from here, or I can also do a search right within my drive. I'll search for anything in my drive dealing with Newline. So we'll let that search, it'll bring up documents, my slideshows. And so here's one, a slideshow about Newline. So we'll go ahead and open that up. And again, you can bookmark the individual documents. So if this is a slideshow that you're going to use on a regular basis, again, go ahead and bookmark that. And then at any point in time when you want to come back to that slideshow, go to your bookmark section, and I can see here's my classroom panel presentation on Newline, and I can go ahead and navigate through. If you want to mark up and annotate from a previous video, we talked about going to the little home screen here. You can turn on your little annotation option, and then you can circle, highlight, and mark up. So it's really very easy to use. We encourage you to jump in and use that, give it a shot, bookmark sites that you might be using on a regular basis. A couple little tips here in terms of troubleshooting is making sure if you're having problems getting on the internet, make sure that the board is connected to the internet. So in order to do that, again, we'll just go back to the home screen here, and in the upper right hand corner from the home screen, there's a little settings option. And from settings, it'll bring up a list, and in that list, there's an option for Wi-Fi. So in order to check to make sure that the board is connected to Wi-Fi, look in the upper right hand corner here, and it'll let you know what Wi-Fi connection it has joined. In this case, we're on ISD 728 Presenter, and it's ready to go. So just a brief little troubleshooting tip for you there. So give it a try. Hopefully it'll provide you with some extra functionality that you hadn't had before. Thank you for your time, and good luck.